Welcome to this tutorial on the Media Library tool in D2L. Today, we'll explore the many functions and features of this tool, which allow you to manage your audiovisual content efficiently. The Media Library tool enables you to create and manage both video and audio files easily. You can filter content based on its type, update file information, and even edit video timelines using the built-in editor. Adding chapters to video content, creating manual and automated captions, and downloading content to your device are also possible with this tool. To access the media library, click on the Admin Tools icon. That's that little gear next to your D2L profile, and select Media Library. From there, you can choose whether to record audio-video or maybe audio only using your media player webcam. To record video with audio, click Add, then select Record Webcam. If you prefer to record audio only, simply click the Audio Only toggle. To begin your recording, click that new recording and proceed through your video. When you are done, click Stop Recording, click Next. To provide a title, optional description, and language for the audio. You can choose to generate captions at this stage. Finally, click Finish to complete the recording process. Your video will then begin processing. Next, how do you manage your media? And what can you do with it? Well, managing your media in D2L with this media library, you will be able to preview, download, edit, rename those files, transfer ownership, delete, and even edit that description of your file. To search in media library, we recommend using those filters, just helps narrow things down. It's important to know that this media tool in D2L offers a range of features to help you manage your audio-visual content effectively. So whether you're new to creating content or editing existing files, this tool streamlines that process, making it easier for both instructors and students to access and engage with multimedia materials. Thanks for watching.